crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and yes, it's Christmas, it's December, and there's all this going on, but I am not necessarily in the Christmas this morning, but wanted to share. I joined Island Quilter. So I don't know where this group has been all my life, and let's hope that they're as good as I think. But there's this group called Island Quilter out of Vashon, Washington, and they actually offer what is called a Tula Pink Club. So knowing that I don't have enough Tula Pink and knowing that we always want to know what else is out there and what's available, I ended up joining the club. So this is my first unenveloping, I guess, right? Because we call them unboxings, but a lot of times we just get our fabrics in an envelope. So let's take a look and see for my first monthly subscription what that looks like. So they did wrap it in a nice, not tissue paper, but almost like a packing paper. So I am happy with that. So it does, they did a nice job helping protect this sacred fabric. And so I joined this club. It's about $35 a month. I can't remember now if I get half yard cuts or fat quarters. It looks like there's going to be fat quarters in this, no, maybe it is half yards. And it's all Tula Pink. You get a selection of what could be expired Tula, current, whatever. It's a whole variety, so you never know necessarily what you're getting. This one is Puppy Love, and I don't know that I have any of her Puppy Love collection. So pretty happy about that because, man, how beautiful and that is that for a spring, right? I mean, yes, we're in the middle of Christmas, I know, but I'm going to be doing other things later. This one is called Ghost Droplets. And I don't know if you can really see those on the air or not. I wish it said on here the year. But that was one of their claims to fame, right? Is that you won't it's not necessarily all current. You might get retired, you might get some that's been out of circulation for a while, which is all cool because you know me, I got to build up the Tula Pink. This one is Ghost Bunny. So I really like that. It's interesting because I'm working on a Tula Pink quilt right now. It's the one I'm doing with the pattern, the free pattern from Fat Quarter Shop. And I had to actually go hunt up some white blocks to use with it and ended up using just a plain white block. But it would have been nice had I had this. I might have been able to use that instead. I get Space Sprinkles, and I don't remember seeing that one. And so that is kind of cool because, you know, I'm a purple freak anyway, so I kind of like the lavender. And so there is that one. And again, these are all half yard cuts. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's about $5 a half yard. It's about $6 a half yard. So I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll try for a couple of months and see how this works out. This one is the sophisticated, right? Yes. Sophisticated. Not even going there. It's the Moon Forest, right? Collection. I know I have some of this, but I don't think I had it in the purple background. But I know I have some of that. So it's 5 new half yards from Island Quilter. Again, they're up in Washington. I'm not disappointed. You know, it's Tula, so I'm obviously going to like it. It's a matter of, I really kind of wish I could probably do the club every other month or even just once a quarter, because I have a feeling it's going to build my Tula stash even bigger than I need at the moment. It's in 2 drawers right now. If I start getting this on a monthly basis and I'm getting 5 half yards every month, it could quickly need a 3rd drawer. And, you know, that just doesn't make sense. It's like, John, you just don't need that much fabric. but I like it and it's pretty. So we'll see. But guys, just wanted to jump in. Just wanted to do this the first month. Just so happens my first month kicked off with them in December. I did sign up for this, I think, late October, but I think I missed the November shipment. So therefore, I ended up getting my first shipment in December. So there it is. I appreciate you dropping in, letting me share some of my newest fabrics with you. Hopefully, you'll continue to watch some of the unboxings and other things that we've got going. But it is a busy, busy, busy month, and I appreciate you giving me just a few minutes of your time. So, guys, I'm going to drop, as always, until next time, happy crafting.